literacy is usually behind much of the other national standards. So in having authors up here to actually work with the students and share their skills and love of writing is so important, and just the creative ways that they're using to inspire students.
Their favourite book that they're taking from the library all of a sudden has a face, and the story behind it then becomes more real for them. So hopefully it increases the love of reading.
Marjory came at things from her angle, which made the kids think differently to what I would think of saying to them, and she gets response from some kids that I might not be able to get response from in that way. So it's really good.
You can draw. You can. Nobody cannot write or nobody cannot draw, and the students are listening to that.
Year 12 Scotch College student James Brassington was named Young Writer of the Year, while Queensland's Taylor Trawatha took out Young Artist of the Year.
We wouldn't be able to bring an author or an illustrator up here without programs like your own.
Many of these students come from backgrounds where they have, low self-esteem. They don't have a lot of education in their families. So to have people of this calibre come in is so important for their own confidence and their own aspirations.